Trending bearing data with ultrasound provides early warning about a bearing's changing condition and gives reliability teams time to proactively perform maintenance. But most ultrasound analysis software platforms provide only basic trending tools that fail to deliver insights about possible root causes of failure. Therefore, SDT is excited to announce the addition of the Bearing Toolbox, a newly featured upgrade for the UAS3 platform that includes a massive bearing database with fault frequency cursors, previously exclusive to high-end vibration analysis tools. Condition monitoring of bearings utilizing ultrasound continues to grow in popularity, and most reliability programs have adopted the technology. But until recently, high-level analysis tools such as bearing databases and fault frequency calculators were reserved for high-end vibration analysis systems. The Bearing Toolbox levels the field for ultrasound inspectors. With the Bearing Toolbox, reliability teams can select the bearing type they're analyzing from the UAS3 database, made up of over 50,000 references from the world's largest bearing manufacturers. Then, technicians can overlay the bearing fault frequencies to the ultrasound or vibration measurements in both the time and frequency domain. Enhance your Ultranalysis Suite with the new Bearing Toolbox from SDT and start enjoying the benefits of advanced analytics, quicker diagnostics, and confident conclusions about the reliability of your assets. Hear more.